going to do today is I want to show you how I go about packaging the larger, heavier, better quality audio equipment so it doesn't get damaged while it's being shipped. The weight of a amplifier can get tossed around pretty readily by the couriers, and packing is everything, and destroying a nice piece of vintage audio equipment is the last thing you want to do. So first I start off with a double wall box. I use a standard size box for just about everything. It fits almost any piece of equipment you're going to stick in here, and that's 26 by 16 by 10 inches double wall. That's what I use. Luckily, I have somebody close that can make me up boxes to size. This is a size that works really well for me, and you can do it however you wish, but this is how I do it. So what I do next is I use pool noodles. I picked them up at the dollar store for $1 a piece, and we'll just take a couple pool noodles and just stick it in like this. Okay, there's two. I take the amplifier, which I've already wrapped. It's actually a Marantz 2100 tuner, but it's already been wrapped, bubble wrapped. I stick it in, set it onto the pool noodles. As you can see by that, that's not going anywhere. It's actually works really, really well. I'll take another pool noodle, and in this case here, go in like this. Whatever works, right? Back down this way. And then pool noodles, like this, and there you go. That's going nowhere. Nothing's getting in, nothing's moving, nothing is going to be an issue. So I can actually take it right now, close this box up, and voila, we have a packed amplifier. It's not going to move. A couple bucks worth of pool noodles and some bubble wrap.